In the economy of uncertainty, you see the rising cost of the gas prices at the pump. Conflict in the Middle East that seems way too familiar, like it was 2 decades ago. The culture wars that clash between left and right, which I call the Great Distraction. With constant debates online through social media about your favorite side. That will keep you broke. Instead of wasting your time with useless arguments that lead you to nowhere, why not join something that's an economic solution to the everyday problem? And I got something that can help you out. But before I continue, this is actually from the Super Trendy Moneymaker channel. I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially if you're new to the channel, because I'm about to give you a ton of value. Okay, this is a 300 cash vault program. That's a direct peer-to-peer system where you get paid $300 per sale. And you get paid through many ways through the system. Even through your bank, Zelle, Wise, which is my favorite, Venmo, Facebook Messenger, PayPal, Cash App, and so many ways to get paid through this, as you can see here. But this is not just a pay-to-peer system. There's a lot more to it than that as well, as you can see here, because I just mentioned one of the pillars. And I'm going to show you the other pillars as well. And these are some of the members, including myself, that took action on joining the system. It's a simple system for the complete beginner and even experienced marketers alike. Okay, so I already mentioned this already. It's the collapse-proof cash flow, where you can make $300 to even $3,000 per week. You probably even make more than that too, depending on how you market this program. And then hard assets and wealth protection for pillar number 2. And you'll learn a lot between the U.S. resources and even global resources to about the silver and gold strategies, and on the coins versus bars. So there's a lot of good resources of what you're going to get on that for pillar number 2. And for pillar number 3 is all about survival too. So not only are you making money online and getting hard assets, but the survival aspect is what a lot of people miss. Is so if anything happened between the war scenario, or something happened to our control grid, or or a natural disaster, this pillar number 3 will teach you the basics on survival as well too. So you're not only earning and you're getting hard assets, but you learn how to survive as well while making money online. And you're also getting some bonus resources as well too. So for like a quick emergency loans for bad credit, for fast funding, and you have something for guaranteed leads, guaranteed 3 leads a day. And for the huge bonuses, no funnels, no email setups, and well, you definitely promote this without any of the moving parts. But I highly recommend to have an email autoresponder and a sales funnel, because if you want to make this a long-term business. The thing is, it's all about the monies in the list and the fortunes in the follow-up. And over time, that your list can continue your business when it comes to that. It's definitely important to have that moving part. And there's another program attached to this that can help you with that too as well. It's completely optional, but you can just start from this, the $300 cash vault. As you can see here, you basically pay $97. That's the first step for the fee for the company. And then you pay your sponsor $300. and you get fully access to the system. So as you can see here, they give you direction on what to do. And this is the owner of the program, Tammy Montgomery, for the Fearless Mama. She have another program called Get Fearless Freedom, which is also attached to this as well. And if you have any questions or concerns, these are some of the answers that will answer some of your questions. And you can join here if you need support. You can email for support@300cashvault.com. Now I want to show you the back office. This is how the back office looks. Okay. So basically get your profile, your email for your contacts to reach out to you if they have any questions. And it show you what you need to do pretty much when it comes to like getting that 100% commissions. And then there's even a start here video, show you the basics on how to promote this offer and other resources as well. So if you go through your profile, all right, we add your profile picture. Like you do like your basic information, like your first name and last name, so your contacts, you know who you are, see that you're a real person, and your email. And like if you join another program called Get Fearless Freedom, you can put your username right here. It's completely optional, but you can start out with this. Okay. And go back to profile again. When it comes to accepting payments, this is where you put your payment info, like how you want to get paid. You read through these directions, and it show you how to put down this information. You basically it's basically a regular text, and you can hyperlink it the way you want. I like Wise, so I'll put down for US and international. This is a good example. This is my Cash App. And I even use Square too for when it comes to credit card payments, credit and debits. So I do 3 ways. I may add another way in the future too as well. So you can it's very customizable. You can change it any way you want. And if you need another example, you have example 1 and then example 2. And it shows you some of the payment options you can go for as well. Okay. Now I'm going to go to confirm payments. And this is where you can confirm your prospect that when you receive your $300. After they pay the $97 to the fee to the company and then $300 to the sponsor. So you basically put in their email and their cash vault username, and you'll be able to confirm right there. And also for people who are unpaid users, so you'll be able to search them through here, so the search for and confirm payments received. And for making a purchase for the $300 cash vault, this is what you get. You get a bonus blueprint for marketing images and ads for many social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and even stuff for like classified ads. And there's even like resources for paid traffic as well. So a lot of good info in this, which I highly recommend when you make a purchase to look over. And I'll also give you, and this one's for free too. All you have to do is put in your email and everything, and you get access to my email bonus series. And as you can see here, like there's other programs that I've, as a result of making this series, I made sales from. And what you get out of this program for your efforts of opening the emails and clicking the links, you get free courses, funnel pages, high converting subject lines, and email swipes. And even if you make a purchase through the $300 Cash Vault program, for example, for any of the affiliate programs inside the email bonus series, you can get 100 clicks for sole ad traffic to any of my vendors that been giving me good results in the past, and I'm gonna give you the benefit as well. So it's either about 100 clicks or more. And whenever I start a traffic rotator campaign, and you're my prospect, what I'll do is put your affiliate link within my traffic rotator and run traffic. And not only will I get a benefit, you will get a benefit as well. And I also have cash giveaways and gift card giveaways, as you can see here. So it can be through PayPal or Cash App, your choice. And more rewards for opening and clicking my emails. So there's hidden perks for staying active. And for anybody who make a purchase through any of the affiliate programs, you also get access to my bigger giveaways. And one of them I'm doing right now, I'm still promoting, is the PS5 Pro, which I have in my possession. I have a video explaining what you need to do to get access to this PS5 Pro. And another thing about this is that I know that the price went up on the PS5 Pro, especially with all this cost of living. Even our favorite things, pastime, like gaming or going out to the movie, everything is going up in price. And this is about like $900 the last time I checked, and even the regular PlayStation is like PS5 is like $600, which is ridiculous. But if you want it for free, I have one in possession right here. So all you got to do is follow the directions on that one. And even if you don't want the console, maybe a son or a daughter or a family member that you know, you can give this to. Like for a birthday, for even for like their Christmas. But I have this in possession. This is one of the things, big prizes that I have in the pipeline when it comes to my email bonus series. And once you join the $300 Cash Vault, if you have any questions or concerns, you can reach out to me on Facebook. I have my link right here. And as far as this goes, that's about it for this video. If you like what you see, and you have a mega ton of value from this video, and you want to see more videos like this in the future, I want you to do me a favor. To help the algorithm of this channel, I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the link down below to get access to the $300 Cash Vault. So without further ado, thanks for watching.